Tired of your Android phone feeling like a digital hoarder's paradise? Let's free up space and declutter that app drawer. First up, the app drawer method. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your home screen to access your app drawer. Now, find the app you want to banish and long press on its icon. A menu will pop up, and you're looking for the uninstall or sometimes just delete option. Tap it. A confirmation box will appear. Just tap OK to send that app packing. Next, let's explore the settings menu. Open your phone's settings, usually represented by a gear icon. Scroll down until you find apps or apps and notifications, and tap on it. You'll see a list of all your installed apps. Find the app you want to remove and tap on it. On the app info screen, you'll find the glorious uninstall button. Tap it. Again, confirm your decision by tapping OK in the confirmation box. Finally, let's head to the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store app. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage Apps and Device. Then, tap on the Manage tab. Here, you'll see a list of your installed apps. Tap on the app you want to say goodbye to. On the apps page, you'll find the uninstall button. Give it a tap. And one last time, confirm by tapping uninstall. Congratulations, you're now an app deleting pro. Go forth and reclaim your phone storage.